Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica with MShaunPlans, and I'm here to plan for August 14th through the 20th in my Hobonichi planner. So I have my Tombow markers that are ready. I'm going to be using my Visconti Breeze in Lemon that is inked with I just had a brain fart, y'all. Um, it is inked with Robert Oster's Pink Squirrel. I knew it was Pink Squirrel. I just couldn't remember the name of the company. So we're going to be using that today to do our spreads. I still have my Pilot Kakuno in black that I may be using here. So we're going to go ahead and we are going to get started. I did not get to plan last week. Last week was hectic. It was starting school. It was a mess last week. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to back plan. So I'm going to be referencing these. Okay, here we go. So I think I'm going to be using this Tombow marker for my headers. Hopefully you guys had a very good week. Again, our week was absolutely bananas because it was back to school. I'm in a new school district, so it was like, okay, I got to get up a little bit earlier, get these kids dressed, make sure my husband is good so we can all get to our designated areas. And thank goodness we made it. We made it, thank goodness. So everything turned out good. It was just hectic. And then my son has evening football practices now. So make sure he gets home and make sure dinner is cooked. So yeah. So I'm just gonna write this week here. And then Happy Mail. And then Happy Moment. Okay. We've got that done. Sorry, y'all, if it's at a slant. That's just how I write. I can't help it. So Monday and Thursday are trash days. So I just usually put that up here. Okay. So I do know Wednesday they're doing this like meet the team um for football. So that's going to be around that particular time at the football stadium. And then I knew there was something else I forgot. Give me a second, y'all. Okay. My meals go down here. I'm sorry. They're doing like meet the Tigers at our football stadium. This is just where, they introduce the team, the cheerleaders, the band, ROTC, and then they're going to have like a little mini scrimmage amongst each other. Nothing too hectic. So, yeah. What else? So, those are for my meals. And then this is trying to decide, trying to make sure I use all my colors. And I'll be using the Sterling Ink August kit. And these are for my workouts. Okay. So got that. And again, this is heavily inspired by Martin May TV. I love her format. It's been working for me. So yeah. On early Saturday morning, I'm going to go home. I'm going to see my parents. My dad's side of the family, they're having this big community get together, and we do it every year. In the last couple of years, I have not been able to attend because when my son played football, he would play on Saturday mornings. So there was no way I could make it. But now that he plays on Friday nights, I can go. So we will be getting up and traveling home Saturday morning. And I'm going to stay with my mom. So Saturday there's nothing to really plan. And then of course we'll come back Sunday and get everything done. So, and I'm just going to write that in black, meet the Tigers.